Number 1. What is the Lingala word for a doctor? Mobini, Zuzi, Monganga, Motei. 5 seconds. Monganga. Number 2. What is the Lingala word for a soldier? Soda, Soloda, Monganga, Moyembi. 5 seconds. Soda. Number 3. What is the Lingala for a learner? Soda, Soloda, Mobini, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Moyekoli. Number 4. What is the Lingala word for a dancer? Mobini, Motei, Monganga, Molakisi. 5 seconds. Mobini. Number 5. What is the Lingala word for a judge? Soda, Zuzi, Molakisi, Moyembi. 5 seconds. Zuzi. Number 6. What is the Lingala word for a fisherman? Soda, Molobimbisi, Soloda, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Molobimbisi. Number 7. What is the Lingala word for a teacher? Mobini, Zuzi, Molakisi, Motei. 5 seconds. Molakisi. Number 8. What is the Lingala word for a sailor? Mopaya, Moteki, Monganga, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Moteki. Number 9. What is the Lingala for a journalist? Mopanzi Sango, Sango, Soda, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Mopanzi Sango. Number 10. What is the Lingala for a musician? Molakisi, Motei, Alanganzembo, Mobini. 5 seconds. Alanganzembo. Number 11. What is the Lingala word for hairdresser? Zuzi, Soloda, Molakisi, Mokangisuki. 5 seconds. Mokangisuki. Number 12 and the last one for this part 1. What is the Lingala word for a barber? Soda, Soloda, Mokatisuki, Moyekoli. 5 seconds. Mokatisuki. So that's it.